Landmarks. Page 6. The West region's natural features have been popular with travelers. Some of the most beautiful national parks are located in this region. The United States Congress established Yellowstone National Park in 1872 as the world's first national park. Yellowstone National Park covers 3,472 square miles. That's bigger than the states of Delaware and Rhode Island combined. There is an active volcano in the park. There are about 2,000 earthquakes there every year. The park also has more than 300 geysers. A geyser is a type of hot spring that shoots boiling hot water and steam into the air. Old Faithful is one of the most well-known geysers. The name Old Faithful was chosen because the geyser is predictable. It erupts about every 91 minutes. Each eruption lasts from 1.5 to 5 minutes. Today, up to 4 million people come to visit Yellowstone each year. Rising 1,267 feet above the surrounding ground, Devil's Tower was designated America's first national monument in 1906. The site is considered sacred to the Lakota and other tribes in the area. Devil's Tower is the core of a volcano exposed by erosion. The magma cooled and crystallized into hexagonal columns separated by vertical cracks. The parallel cracks make it a popular place for rock climbers. When the Golden Gate Bridge was completed in 1973, it was the longest suspension bridge in the world. The bridge is almost 9,000 feet long and has two beautiful towers that are 820 feet tall. While most bridges are painted steel gray to protect them from corrosion, the Golden Gate Bridge is painted international orange to help it blend in with the red-orange tones of the rocks and hills around San Francisco Bay. Tourists visit Alaska and Hawaii each year. People travel to Alaska to see its beautiful glaciers. Cruise ships sail through the waterways of Alaska to allow people to see the glaciers up close. Visitors to Hawaii go for its tropical weather and landscape. The warm weather year-round makes its beaches and the place to visit. People also visit the volcanoes of Hawaii.